Oh, yeah. That's okay. Oh, nice.
How old?
21 months.
21 months.
Ah, it's beautiful.
How old are they when you move them out?
Open out, what do you mean?
When you give them to zoos?
About 3 years.
About 3 years.
It's a big, that's fully, is she fully grown?
She's fully grown, yeah.
Honey, look.
Wow.
He's kissing me. He's kissing me. Is she getting the salt or just
Yeah,
getting
it's
affection?
also the form of showing affection, but yeah, also the salt on your skin. She loves it. You'll feel that tongue is incredibly, yeah.
He's playing with his weenies. Yes. Look how lekker dit is. Look how lekker dit is. Look how lekker dit is. You like them, don't you? Look, yes. Look, yes. Hey.
Yeah, come closer, sir.
Oh my god. I would have jumped up so fast. He likes this. Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, I have to rub his tummy.